for under $200, we can do a propane powered shower. Today we're installing an outdoor shower, propane powered with on-demand heat at the Derby Canyon Retreat Wellhouse outdoor shower. This right here is just like basically a drain pan. That's just a river rock style shower bed that drains out to earth. And initially, I was planning on us just utilizing one of these camper showers. I like the idea of it being passive solar. We just hang it right here, let the sun do all the work, get it to a nice toasty temp, and then hang it in our shower and utilize it that way. But I realized for under $200, we can do a propane powered shower, and obviously that's going to be a lot better experience for campers and a better overall setup. So today I'm starting the unboxing and the install. I'm imagining it's probably pretty straightforward and simple. I haven't dug into the instructions yet, but this is basically just an on-demand propane power heater. This is where your tank connects. You got a water inlet, a water outlet to your shower head and hose. And at first, I wasn't sure if it would work with pressurized water or not, not having pressurized water. But the fact is we get like 60 PSI out of the well. So I'm just going to be putting a splitter on the well to have several different lines coming off, run one to the shower, and we should be in darn good shape. All right, so it's a real simple install. You basically just hook up a gas line, a connector for your hose, and a connector with a quick connect release for the faucet or the wand or whatever you call it. That thing also has a little holder that I'll mount to one of the 2x4s in here. And now all we really need to do is mount it. One thing I didn't realize is it requires batteries. Luckily, I do have some up at the cabin, so I'll be able to grab those later. That's for the spark to ignite the fuel or the propane. But yeah, so we'll get it mounted right now and get it all set up and should be ready to go by tomorrow. All right, so we've got our tank mounted, water inlet that's coming from our well, fuel that's coming just from a propane tank, and of course the hot water out, which is mounted up above. I might need to play with this a little bit. Right now, that shower is not really centered very well. And it also is going to be a challenge for people that aren't very tall to reach. I'm 5'10", and this is kind of at the top of my height. So I'm probably going to need to figure out a better way to mount that. Maybe put in a bar or a 2x4 crossbar crossed and having a little bit lower of a mounting position. But that's easy enough. And next time I go to the cabin, I'll grab those D batteries. I think that's what powers the igniter. Hopefully we'll be up and running and get that all done tomorrow and have this off-grid hot water, fully self-sustaining system in place. Now we're entering our off-grid well house and heated shower. We turn the gas on, turn this on, you heard a few clicks and then it immediately caught, and now you can see the water temperature there. Now it's going down rapidly because this is fresh well water, but this thing works really well. It gets up to temp in just a minute or two. I have it set for summertime and you can adjust it as necessary, but that is obviously an amenity that's included. I've got some biodegradable shampoos and soaps coming in the delivery, so that'll be available for camper use. My mission is self-reliance through sustainable living, and we're here to build a community. Click here to subscribe to be sure to get more awesome content for living off the land. And be sure to go in to enter for notifications. Click that bell, get notifications, and stay in tune. Subscribe, watch, and comment. Let's build a community. See you soon.